Fix your budget, fix your life. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today, I'm sharing my personal journey with budgeting and highlighting some common mistakes we all make and how to fix them. Mistake number 1, not tracking your spending. Let's start with the first mistake, not tracking your spending. I used to wonder where all my money went each month until I realized I wasn't writing anything down. I once went on a shopping spree, and it was a total mystery why I was always short at the end of the month. I remember one month, I was shocked to see how much I spent on takeout, coffee runs, snacks, you name it. I finally started using a budgeting app, and that made all the difference. Track every expense, even small ones. Whether you prefer a notebook, a spreadsheet, or an app, tracking every expense helps you understand your spending patterns. Give it a try. Mistake number 2, setting unrealistic goals. Next up is setting unrealistic goals. I once planned a budget so strict that I cut out my favorite little indulgences. Soon enough, I felt deprived and ended up splurging even more. One time, I decided I wouldn't spend a dime on anything fun for a whole month. Instead, I ended up buying a small treat every week secretly. Instead of feeling proud, I felt guilty and frustrated. Instead, set achievable goals. Mistake number 3, forgetting irregular expenses. Another mistake I made was forgetting about those irregular expenses, like annual subscriptions, car repairs, or even holiday gifts. One year, I got a nasty surprise with a big bill because I hadn't planned for it. I once had to scramble to pay for a car repair that I completely forgot about. It really taught me the value of planning ahead. A simple trick is to break those big expenses into monthly amounts. For example, if you know you'll pay $120 in a year, set aside just $10 a month. This way, you're never caught off guard. Mistake number 4, not revisiting your budget regularly. Number 4, not revisiting your budget regularly. Life changes. Your income, expenses, and goals can shift. I learned this the hard way when I didn't update my budget after a raise and new bills popped up. There was a time when my budget felt like an old, dusty plan that didn't fit my current needs. Now I set aside a little time each month to review and adjust my budget. It's like a monthly checkup for your finances. Just a few minutes each month can keep you on track and help you adapt to life's changes. Mistake number 5, ignoring savings and debt. Lastly, ignoring savings and debt is a huge pitfall. I used to focus so much on daily expenses that I barely saved anything. I also avoided dealing with my debt, hoping it would just go away. I remember feeling overwhelmed by my credit card debt until I started prioritizing even small savings and regular debt payments. It wasn't an overnight fix, but every little bit made a difference. Include savings and debt repayments as non-negotiable parts of your budget. Consistent small contributions really add up over time and give you financial security. So if you found these tips helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy budgeting!